Tropical depression number 13, getting a little bit more organized on satellite imagery, but hurricane hunters really couldn't find a close circulation, so this is barely a depression, but it's going to make a comeback, eventually become a tropical storm, perhaps a hurricane, and eventually head toward the eastern Gulf of Mexico, and not before threatening the Caribbean, the Bahamas, Florida, maybe South Florida, and the Florida Panhandle. Meanwhile, what we're interested in right now on the front burner is tropical depression number 14, a poorly organized system with some dry air wrapping around, but what hurricane hunters found this evening found the center of circulation a little bit farther to the north, so it's not going to interact as much with land. We think it's going to probably make a turn just as it reaches the coast of Honduras. So now the forecast is for this to become a hurricane prior to reaching the Yucatan, then weakening over the Yucatan late Saturday into early Sunday, but by Sunday afternoon be back out in the Gulf of Mexico and more than likely strengthen back to a hurricane status. And the forecast now has gone from a tropical storm to at least a Category 1 hurricane, making landfall sometime Tuesday afternoon or evening as a Category 1 75-mile-per-hour storm. But we are in the mix. We're in the envelope. We're going to be talking about some impacts or potential impacts on Acadiana, some scenarios coming up in the main weathercast. Meanwhile, it feels great out there. 69, 70 the low tonight in Lafayette. Tomorrow we'll get up to about 90 or 91. Rain chances low tomorrow and Saturday, but then the change is on the way as we watch the tropics. We'll have a full update on the tropics and tropical depression number 14 coming up in just a little bit.